Hello guys, welcome to another lecture of HTML and CSS. In this little lecture, I'm going to talk really fast about web design, Photoshop, and fireworks. So web design is the ability to create awesome templates. So you already know what templates are. And web design, basically what it does, or a web designer, is create nice, clean, and very cool templates for your website. Now, a web developer tends to take care of all the backend. We call the backend all the things and functionality that works behind the template, okay? As the database and all the functionalities with PHP or JavaScript. So all that is created or controlled by the web developer. And the front end, which is basically what the user sees at first glance on a website, it's the template, and it's created and controlled by the web designer. Okay, now this course is more focused on web development, so we're going to learn everything that works behind the template, and I'm not going to get into the web design because that's a whole new other thing and concept. So if you want to learn web design or create awesome templates and awesome user interface for your website, you may want to grab Photoshop or Fireworks. These two tools are awesome and are the most popular ones for web designers to create great templates for websites. Okay? Now, if you feel that you want to learn more about web design, or you want to be more focused on creating templates than creating platforms and databases and everything that works behind the template, this is not the course for you. Okay, you have to search for another course, such as web design from scratch or web design for beginners or something like that. Okay, this will not be the course that will teach you how to use Photoshop or Fireworks. Okay, so this is all, and see you guys in